In today's video, I'm going to discuss about an online tutoring platform where you can work in your free time and earn money. So this is a flexible kind of opportunity, and you can choose your number of hours to work, and here you can earn money by helping students in their homeworks. Students used to submit their questions on the platform, and as an online tutor you can choose your own subject to work upon, and accordingly you can decide if you wish to answer that question. So you can charge around like $50 to $200 per question. It depends on you. Now let's check out about the opportunity in details. So here the company's name is StudyGate. Here the company offers online tutoring platform where you can answer questions, help students and get paid. So if you studied hard in school and want to monetize that expertise, you will find a fit with StudyGate. So this is an online kind of opportunity where you can earn money in your free time, and you can choose your own number of hours and the subject that you wish to work upon. Who are you? So if you are an undergrad, no matter if you are a college student, you're a housewife, or anyone who wish to have a side hustle, you can apply for this job. So here your undergrad is complete. The only required thing is that your undergrad should be completed. You are working on a master's degree or a PhD in maths, some area of science, business, programming, or the humanities. You are in a TA position, or maybe even doing a postdoc, or you have already been offering homework help online for years. So if you have already been completed your undergrad program and you have enrolled for your masters, you can apply on the platform and start earning. Also, if you are a housewife or you are already a working professional, you can still check out the details and you can apply for the job. Now here, who are we? So the company is based in LA, and they have been working together as a team since 2014. The company started out offering learning services. So here you will be working as a freelance. Now, why should you work with us? So here are the benefits. So here they have written the payment is guaranteed for work completed. So you never have to worry about payment processing. The company
इसे
used to take
बनाते
care
हुए
of all
सिखाता
the
हूँ कि मैं
marketing for
वन
you
लाख
as
रुपीज़
well.
पर मंथ तक
And
मेरी
now, how does StudyGate handle my privacy? So all information that you provide to StudyGate will be used for security purposes only. Now, if you believe that you could be a good fit for this position, here are some of the tutors that are already been working and that have already been working on the platform. Now let's check out about the FAQs to be more clear. How and when will I be paid? So here uh, you will be paid through PayPal. So you will be required to provide your PayPal account. So no matter what is your geographic location, you can apply for the job. You can check out the platform and you can sign up. So people are working here from different parts of the world, from France, Chile, India. Then there is from Canada, Turkey, Kenya. Experts with a US bank account can also use direct deposit. Now, payment requests may be submitted 3 times monthly with disbursement within 3 to 5 business days. And a wallet balance must be at least $20 to withdraw. Now here, what is the most important thing you could tell me to get my application improved? Okay, so your portfolio weighs the most heavily in your application consideration. Typical reasons applications get rejected include, but are not limited to, the following. So here they have mentioned about some of the things that you should avoid doing in your applications. So here, if your application has some grammar errors, if your application is highlighting exams taken instead of the skill set offered, the quality of portfolio issue, lack of specificity, plagiarism, etc., and lack of professionalism, especially writing in all caps, and too much focus on hobbies instead of skill set in the bio, spam post, copy paste of copy paste of content from LinkedIn account, resume, etc. So here they have mentioned about what needs to be avoided in while filling up the application form. So this thing you have to keep in mind. You will be a preferred candidate if you have already been helping college level students or other students. So if you will be preferred if you have already been tutoring or helping students in their homework or in other kind of studies. Now here, what general information can you share with me about StudyGate? So StudyGate offers homework help services to college students in North America and Asia. Then our goal is to provide direct, straightforward answers in a straightforward, no BS environment. Student want help. Student want help with their homework. We deliver with accuracy and on time. And what is the salary? So here, this is kind of like bidding system, and here you will be working as a freelancer. This is not a full-time or part-time employment role. StudyGate is a freelancing platform, and here they have written that they use bid system to assign work, and they offer work free. They offer work freedom so that you could engage customers on your schedule for pay. Now, how long does it take to apply? So you will only you only required 15 minutes to apply on the platform. And before getting started, you will need your diploma or latest transcript. You will also you will also want to have your ID on hand for verification purposes, and you will also be asked to provide a portfolio item and or video introduction. Then, do I need to be a certified teacher? So no, here StudyGate doesn't ask you to have a like certificate of or like a certified teacher. What job subjects or areas of expertise are you looking for? So the company is looking for STEM and humanities expert, and here is a full list. So, if you're an expert in subjects like accounting, finance, biology, then calculus, chemistry, civil engineering, computer sciences, psychology, literature, history, then physics, statistics, probability, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, economics, and then there is computer science, nursing. So you could be a preferred candidate. Now here, when will I hear back about my application? So the company used to review every completed application, steps 1 to 4, and this happens a couple times weekly during the busy season. So basically, they used to take around like 3 to 5 days or sometimes a week to review the application. And what tools do you provide to help me interact with students? So the company has their own dashboard that allows you to bid, deliver homework help answers, and interact with students. And the company have a like whiteboard for online tutoring, and the company used to protect against fraudulent disputes. Company has built out a detailed resources network to make sure succeed. For how much will I make on the site? So here they have written that best tutors can make around like $13,000 a month, whereas top tutors on the platform used to charge around like $50 to $200 per question on average. Okay, pricing is determined by the size and urgency of the questions. So it depends on you. It totally depends on you how much you wish to charge, because this is a bidding system. So if you believe that you could be a good fit for this kind of role, and this kind of opportunity interests you, you can apply on the platform. You can sign up from here. So if you're a student who has already been enrolled on for their for your master's program, you're a housewife, you are a working professional, or anyone who wish to have like some kind of side hustle, you can check out the details on the platform and you can sign up here. So you can choose any subject on the platform to work, and you can use your free time to work on the platform, and you can create your schedule and start earning through the platform. So go ahead and check out all the details. If this kind of role interests you, you can apply for the job. Thank you for listening.